Hi, it's Jez again from Nigezza Creates, and I'm just doing some more work on my altered book. And I had this page here that I hadn't done anything with, and I was trying to decide what to do, and things were starting to evolve, and I thought I'll just turn the camera on because I was doing something new, and I thought, oh, maybe I should show this. So I've made up this other envelope. This is the one that doesn't come with flaps, but I just made them have flaps. And like I've done before, I thought I would stick it under and make a flip out. And then I thought, actually, why don't I have a sort of a belly band, because that sort of goes with that, and have a belly band that this hooks round. And then I had a look what I could make the belly band out of, and I had this other style envelope, and I thought, well, I could use this as a belly band. So this was the point at which I thought, oh, I should be filming this. So I've literally just ripped down the sides of that. Let's just move this out of the way, and then I'm gonna leave a little bit of a, but I'm going to turn under, I think, to give a little bit of extra. I mean, this has been printed on 120 GSM, but just gonna, I think, turn the ends under. So we want, I'm kind of going to go, we're going to lose some of this butterfly, but that's okay. So I'm thinking of going either side of the bottom of the wings. I'm going to use my right angled ruler here so that I get it straight. This is assuming you've done that bit straight, Jez, which you may not have. Right, so now let's move you down. Yep, so then we'll go up there, crease it up there, and then we can crease down the other side. And then we'll do the same on this side. There's the bottom of my wing, and then we'll fold that up. And that should hopefully be pretty all right. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're not looking for perfection, are we? So I think that's quite a cute belly band. So we then want to fold in the tops. So put that on the edge there. Hold that along there. That will go under the other way. And do the same on this side. Excuse my head. See my roots, they need doing. I've got hair up. I'm going to the hairdressers. It's not something I do very often. Maybe once a year. The last time I went to the hairdressers was last March, before I went on holiday. And yeah, I've not been to hairdressers since. I colour it myself, and yeah, and I cut my own fringe. And then when the length gets on my nerves, it usually takes about a year for it to get on my nerves, that's when I then go to the hairdressers. I have been known to give Ed the scissors to cut my ends. And how scary. He was scared first time he did it. Lockdown. I was like, can't go hairdressers. Cut my hair. So it's not going to be a full belly band, But my thought is that that envelope will then just tuck round it. That was my thoughts. And I might do an offside belly band. Like that. I thought that might look nice. On there. That's what I thought. Now I'm thinking that it might look better on tea dyed paper because it's less fussy. Yeah, I think we might go for the tea dyed. Yeah, I think that looks a bit better. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Right, so this is the one I've been using for the size, but it's the last page that needs to go in, so I can stick it in. So now I've just got a mega amount of ink in, so I will do this quicker. So I was just, as I was inking around this, I was thinking that that was quite a big space and it probably needed something, and I got a load of these cut out from the sides of book pages. I thought actually they look really good, and I could even put some on the edge of the belly band, and then it kind of goes to the edge of the page. Could even do it that way, and then they're extended to the edge. Yeah, cooking on gas here. So I'm gonna stick these to the page before I stick it down, and then I can so once it's stuck down, I can then trim the edge off. And then those sides can get inked. Oh, proper like that. Proper like that. Right, let's do the top end in exactly the same way. Oh, I think that finishes that page off really, really well. A bit out of shot there for you, but yeah, that works. I like it. I wasn't sure about that bird, but now it's all right. Look at that. So that was just from spying something that happened to be lying on my desk. And I'm really loving how that has turned out. So let's just address this a minute. We need to take those corners off. So I think I'm going to stick this in place, and then I'll put these on. So So the only thing I'm worried about is that having a bit of a ridge that this might get caught on. So I'm now thinking, does it need these side bits? And I'm thinking that it doesn't. So I'm thinking I'm going to take them off. I'll keep the extra bit at the top, but I'm thinking I don't need them down the side. So let's slice them off. I might just need to do a little bit of re-inking now, because we've got a little bit of a white core now. So that's going to be better. That will just now slip without any obstruction whatsoever under there. And remember, Jez, going slightly to the side so that the envelope sits in the middle. Yep. I am remembering that. Right, so we're going to glue this down before I stick the page down. I actually don't need it to be. Right, I'm gluing this flap down altogether. So let's glue the flap down first, because I don't want the gap to be the full length of the belly band. I want it to come in a bit. I don't want it to slip too far. Right. So I'm wanting that to go about there. Like that. Where's my little bit of, and up there. So I want that to go along there. So that looks like a little cut up there to fit on there. Yep. So that's going to go on there like that. I like that. So that now kind of matches. So I'll stick this down. So now I just need to stick this envelope up. So I'm just going to put glue on these side flaps. I did it to be that way. It means it's upside down, but it doesn't matter. I just think that looks dead pretty. I'm just going to put a little paper clip on it. I might make some pretty altered paper clips, but for the moment let's do it with a pretty heart up the front. Why are you struggling so much, Jez? I don't know. There we go. We've got the little heart there. There, I like that. There. So that is that page done. And what I've done is I've gone through with a post-it on the pages where I think it needs something. So there it's like belly band or a pocket is what I'm thinking for there. There I'm thinking of doing a long envelope where the top of the envelope will flip over there because it can flip on this bit. So that's what I'm thinking of doing there. There, again, a belly band or a pocket, I haven't decided. There, I'm wanting something that will go, oh, I suggested an over the page. Oh no, stencil or stamp on the envelope. That's all I'm going to do on that one, on the page, not the envelope. Here, pocket. It's a definite pocket, not a belly band, because we've got that there. And then there, I was thinking of a little side tuck. I was thinking it needed something on there. It's just a bit plain. Wanted something here. Stencil or stamping on the page, and then a pocket on this page. Here, because I've got that check and I've got that plain page, I thought I could do something that goes over the page, either where I take a square piece of paper and fold it in half, or an over the page tag. I haven't decided. It's going to be one or the other. Here, again, a pocket or a belly band. So I've got a few pages where I've put a pocket or a belly band. I'm going to count them up and I'm going to kind of do an even distribution, or I might do more of one and less of another. So that is where I'm with it. So I think I'm going to bring you back. This was an impromptu video of working in this. I'm going to bring you back for me doing a pocket. I've done a belly band now, so you don't need to see that. So I'm going to show you where I do a pocket and a side tuck maybe. And that's virtually everything then. Just the adding of the tags. And then I've got to do the front cover and these bits. Getting a bit chunky now. And that's without any tags. I didn't think it was going to be too chunky, but it is. Okay, thanks for joining me. See you again soon. Bye for now.